Hello everyone, this is Jenny. In this last bonus video, I will go through the variables included in the OpenFace output you obtain using the get_commands function of OpenFaceR. The first variable is the frame, which indicates the order of each video frame. You usually have 25 frames per second. The second variable is the face ID. Usually, you can ignore it, but if more than one face is present in the video, the face ID column allows you to distinguish which face is which. Timestamp indicates the time in milliseconds. Confidence means how confident is OpenFace in the results provided for that frame. Success shows if confidence is high enough to provide meaningful results. Very small faces, objects, or poor quality videos lower confidence. The variables from 6 to 13 are related to the gaze's direction and angle. X, Y, and Z in all the following variables indicate the horizontal axis, the vertical axis, and the distance from the screen. Note that for the y-axis, lower scores represent objects that are located on the top. The variables from 16 to 293 describe the position of the 55 landmark points of the eyes. The variables from 294 to 296 describe the tilt of the head, and the ones from 297 to 29 the roll of the head. The variables x0, y0, and z0 are average positions on the three axes. All the other variables from 300 to 503 describe the position of 67 facial landmarks. Finally, the variables starting with AU, from 504 to 536, describe the facial action units. They represent meaningful facial micromovements as classified by the influential psychologist Paul Ekman. The AU measures ending with R represent their intensity, while the variables ending with C are dichotomic 1 to 0 variables representing whether or not the facial action unit was activated. Thank you for listening, bye-bye.